Nestled in the northern reaches of Europe, Norway is a country that captivates with its stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and deep-rooted cultural heritage. Known for its breathtaking fjords, majestic mountains, and quaint villages, Norway is a land of contrasts where ancient traditions seamlessly merge with modern innovation. At the heart of Norway's allure are its unparalleled natural wonders. The fjords, carved by ancient glaciers, are undoubtedly the country's most iconic feature. These deep, narrow inlets of water are surrounded by towering cliffs, creating a surreal and awe-inspiring panorama. Among the most famous is the Geirangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its cascading waterfalls and lush greenery. The Norwegian countryside is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. With an abundance of hiking trails, skiing slopes, and cycling routes, the country offers a plethora of opportunities to connect with nature. The Northern Lights, a mystical display of colorful lights dancing across the Arctic skies, also grace Norway's northern regions, leaving spectators in utter amazement. Beneath the surface lies another facet of Norway's natural wealth, its thriving marine life. The Norwegian coastline stretches for thousands of kilometers, providing a habitat for diverse marine species. The Lofoten Islands, for instance, are not only a picturesque archipelago but also a prime location for fishing and wildlife spotting. Amidst this natural splendor, Norway's cities stand as modern testaments to its cultural and technological advancements. Oslo, the capital city, seamlessly combines history with innovation. The Viking Ship Museum and the Munch Museum pay homage to the nation's past, while the futuristic Oslo Opera House showcases its forward-looking approach to architecture. Bergen, another gem, is a Hanseatic city with a rich maritime heritage. Its iconic colorful wooden houses along the waterfront, known as Bryggen, harken back to its trading roots. The city's bustling fish market is a sensory delight, offering a taste of the freshest seafood Norway has to offer. Norwegians take great pride in their cultural traditions, which are deeply intertwined with their natural surroundings. The concept of friluftsliv, or open-air living, reflects the country's close relationship with nature. Whether it's hiking, skiing, or simply enjoying a leisurely walk in the woods, the outdoors play a vital role in the Norwegian way of life. The cuisine of Norway reflects both its coastal and rural heritage. Seafood takes center stage, with dishes like gravlax, cured salmon, and rakfisk, fermented fish, gracing tables across the country. For the adventurous, lutefisk, dried fish reconstituted with lye, is a traditional delicacy. And no mention of Norwegian cuisine would be complete without acknowledging the heartwarming comfort of a bowl of hot klippfisk, dried and salted cod, soup. Norway's social policies and quality of life are also noteworthy. The country consistently ranks high on global happiness and human development indexes. Its strong welfare system, commitment to environmental sustainability, and emphasis on education contribute to a high standard of living for its citizens. Norway is a land where nature's beauty and cultural heritage intertwine in a harmonious dance. Its fjords, mountains, and vibrant cities create an enchanting tapestry that lingers in the memory of all who visit. With a profound respect for tradition and an unwavering embrace of progress, Norway stands as a testament to the possibility of a life lived in harmony with both the land and the future.